Hi, I'm Sean Lenihan from the Kestrel Forestry web shop in County Wexford. We are the agents for ARS Japanese tools. And today I want to demonstrate how to operate the ARS Pole Saw. The ARS Pole Saws come in three sizes. The one I have here extends to 5.5 meters, the middle size extends to 4.5 meters, and the smaller one extends to 3.3 meters. The instructions I'm about to give are the same for all three pole sizes. First thing I want to mention is safety. All these poles are totally unsuitable for use where you have electric power lines. So whether you're working in your garden, whether you're working in your forest or woodland, or working along the road, please ensure that there are no electric power lines nearby. On the pole there is a yellow warning label that outlines this, so just have a good look at that before you start the cut. Okay, I'm going to move on now to look at the blade and how we attach it to the pole. The blade we recommend for the 5.5 is the UV40, which comes with a scabbard. As you can see, it can be a little bit tricky to take off because the scabbard is for storage and safety reasons, but what makes it tricky for you to take off makes it very hard for little people to take it off. So that's one of the advantages of it. Okay. Two things I want to point out about this blade. First is the bark cutter. We recommend that whenever you're going to decide which branch to cut, that you score underneath the branch and cut the bark, okay? That'll prevent the branch hanging up in the tree after you've succeeded in cutting it. It can take a lot of time to try and get a branch that could be 7 or 8 meters up, try and get it off if it's left hanging up. So if you score underneath, just push back and forth, and we'll demonstrate it shortly. That should stop branches hanging up when you cut through. Second thing I want to point out is all these blades cut in one direction, which is a downward pull, and you can see this clearly stated on the blade. The teeth are set to cut in that direction. There is no advantage to doing a sawing action. The way to do it is put your blade on the branch, give it 1 pull, 2 pull, 3 pull, whatever it takes dependent on the diameter of the branch. Okay, now we're going to show how to extend the saw. I'll put it on first. Okay, the blade goes on quite simply like this. There are 2 spring-loaded buttons here. You just push them in and your blade locks in like that, okay? To extend the saw then, we go to our first adjuster clip here and we open it like this, unlock it. There's 2 more spring-loaded buttons. I'm right-handed, so I push in here and then we start to release the extension. Once you have it released, it's important to lock it back in like that, okay? We want our full height, then we open this one and repeat the process. Again, this comes up like this. That's fully extended there, and again we lock back in. Now, one feature that's unique to ARS pole saws is this adjuster clip, because on the inside there is a ratchet system, and what this allows you to do is cut at any height you want to. So we can stop it here, we can stop it here, we can literally stop it anywhere we want, okay? Most pole saws you can only cut at 3 heights. Static height, the first extension, the second extension. Where this comes into play is you could have a branch that fully extended, it's too tall, too high up over the branch, okay? If you bring the first extension down, it's too low. So this allows you to kind of move it up and down, lock it into place, so you get the right height that suits you for taking that branch out of it. Okay, so now we'll just go and demonstrate, okay, how to cut. Okay, I'm going to take this branch off here. So, as you can see, I'm just scoring underneath here. Just cutting that bark. And that should ensure that it doesn't hang up, okay? We then put the blade on like that, get it in as close as possible to the stem, okay, and start to pull. One direction. Our blade has hung up there, our branch has hung up there, sorry. not where I thought it would. Okay, so you have two options here. You can just put the thing here. There is a branch underneath that. Okay, so that's it. That's our branch off. When you're finished, just take it down, lock it back in. It is important that you clean off your blade after you're finished cutting. You can use baby wipes, you can use soap, water, mild soap and warm water, but just important you clean off, because if you're cutting say for an hour or two, there will be resin on your blade, so it's important to clean all that off before you put it back in the scabbard. You just take it off then and we just go and put it back in. That's it. Thank you for watching. This is Sean Lanahan from the Kestrel Forestry web shop. So whether you're working in the garden, your forest or woodland or along the road, have a good day cutting and see you soon.